I'm Erin McGee Ferrell, and this exhibition, a collection of work, is called The Insect Hotels, the Restoration of the Garden. It comes from traveling to Athens, Greece, the seat of Western philosophy and the foundation of our Western culture, then going to Bahrain in the Middle East, an island off of Saudi Arabia, and living amongst environmental degradation where the world's largest aluminum manufacturing plant is, the oil refineries, and huge rates of cancer, where very little grows and is surviving there. And then going to the Rhine Valley in France and Germany, where I discovered insect hotels and the act of restoring the garden, the intentionality of inviting insects back into the garden by providing habitats. Thus, these paintings embedded with technology of sound and video are an audio postcard of this journey between our beginning in Greece into how we've destroyed so much of our environment into trying to bring restoration back through the insect hotels discovered in the Rhine Valley. It's 2022, and Erin McGee Ferrell, thank you.